If you own or manage a massive industrial shed, you are bleeding money every single day. Look at your ceiling. Why are you blasting thousands of dollars worth of expensive, buzzing artificial lights during the day? It's time to stop fighting the dark and start harvesting the sun. Meet eView Global's advanced industrial daylighting systems, engineered specifically to transform large-scale commercial roofs. These high-performance systems capture raw solar light and channel it deep onto your factory floor. It filters out intense heat while slashing your daytime lighting power consumption and cooling bills by up to 40%. But it's not just about energy savings. Welcoming natural morning light indoor layouts is scientifically proven to eliminate employee fatigue, improve safety, and skyrocket workforce productivity by 10 to 15%. Stop paying for what the sun gives you for free. Build a smarter, zero-maintenance, and highly profitable facility. Go to eviewglobal.com and talk to our infrastructure experts today.